the formal business in the cannabis space, but the part that's still there, the informal business that's been there for years and decades. Do you believe that there's learning from that group of people that should be somehow siphoned into the formal arena?
Absolutely. It's very, very early
Hmm.
in the evolution of legalized cannabis.
Hmm.
And I'll relate it to horticulture. 30 years ago, there was a bunch of different growing techniques for traditional horticulture. Everyone had a different approach. That's where we're at with cannabis today. All
Hmm.
of these operators in the facilities, both formal and informal, have specific techniques that they've acquired or learned over the past decades. Now, today in traditional horticulture, that expertise has become very, very mainstream. It's now relying upon the equipment systems that you use because there's set ways to grow those products. I believe we still have a decade or two more of learning from the true experts, the people that are growing the plants, both in the informal and informal segments.
Yeah, it is a very mysterious plant, wouldn't you say?
It is indeed, and it has to be. Quite often, you hear operators talk about the plants as their babies,
Yes.
and they treat them and coddle them accordingly. But also there has been a strong evolution over the last 3 years from the early stage cannabis legalization. There was a lot of basement growers that were able to win the admiration and respect of operators that were investing in facilities. And the market and those owners quickly realized that growing in a smaller basement environment is nothing compared to growing in a 150,000 square foot facility or a large greenhouse.
Hmm.
It takes a completely different skill set. And
Hmm.
that is where I believe we've started to see the merge of traditional horticulture growing techniques and expertise with formal and informal cannabis growing techniques.
Hmm.
And,
Hmm.
and, and hence, you see a lot more reliance today on engineering design and also on choosing the best in class equipment systems. As the cost to produce decreases,
Hmm.
the reliance on building the most efficient facility from the start is stronger than ever.